It feels super lightweight, which is good. I'm out here doing about a half mile with my dog on all concrete for the most part. All right, I got the SILENTCARE men's winter mid-calf boot. These were sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show them to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. Traction feels awesome on them, and they are super lightweight. We've got rubber soles on the bottom here, and they've got like a grippy texture on there, so I'm thinking these are going to be great outside. We'll find out. Rubber all the way around. Another rubber texture that goes around here. I can't get over how light these are. They're very light. And they've got some type of Oxford cloth on here that is also waterproof. I like that. Another cool thing that I like about these, right off the bat, first thing that caught my eyes is the zipper on the side. When you zip these down, it doesn't like open all the way up. It actually opens up like you've got a little thing inside of here. You know, I think this is great because I wear long johns, or if I want to put stuff, tuck my pants down into here, put these on, get everything inside of there, zip it back up, and I'm good to go. I've got waterproof protection on here, and it also has kind of like a plush lined material inside of here that is very soft, and it goes all the way to the toe, which is great. Perfect. These are going to be super warm. It has an insole inside of here. It's a regular insole. So far so good. These things are super comfortable. You can see I'm wearing sweatpants with them, and you can see if I pull this up right here, you see my sock actually pulls up over top of the boot, which as I like. Perfect for me. My sweatpants can either go inside of them or outside of them. The traction on them is fantastic over here on the concrete. Got great traction, especially on this set, and the heel in particular has really good traction on it, which is what I like. I think with rubber soles, they're going to be durable. These are going to be great for dog walking this winter because when it snows and gets icy out here, I'm hoping this traction helps out with that. So pretty comfortable on the concrete. So they're pretty comfortable on the grass. I got good traction, that's for sure. So I just did about a half-mile walk with these, walking my dog on the road in the grass and so forth. It is about, it's about 50 degrees here in Delaware right now, and my feet are super warm. I definitely have to break these things in. These are definitely gonna have to get broken in for me, and I'm probably gonna replace the insoles with some type of orthopedic, insole for my particular type of foot and foot issues. But these are definitely gonna come in handy this winter. It's gonna be great to have something to shovel snow in, that's for sure, and they're easy to slip on and slip off with the zipper. And I think they're gonna work out great. So if you're looking for a comfortable pair of winter mid-calf boots, waterproof mid-calf boots, whether it's for snow shoveling, working in a wet backyard, maybe you're going out, great for winter fishing, any type of winter outdoor activity, check out these ones by SILENTCARE. Check them out.